Hello children, today we are going to learn your third unit, that is Galileo. You would have heard this name. He is a famous Indian astronomer. Before to know more about Galileo, let's read pre-reading task. Name some heavenly bodies. What are heavenly bodies? Like stars, planets, asteroids. These all are heavenly bodies. Next, what is astronomy? What is astronomy? It is a science of stars, planets and the universe. Name an Indian astronomer. Name any Indian astronomer like Aryabhatta and all. What is a planetarium? There is one in Karnataka. Where is it? What is planetarium? There is one planetarium in Karnataka, and where it is? A planetarium is a building in which images of stars, planets, constellations are projected onto dome ceiling. Yes, there is a planetarium in Bangalore, the Jawaharlal Nehru Planetarium. It is Jawaharlal Planetarium in Bangalore. It is. What instrument do astronomers use? What instruments they use? Astronomers they use telescope. That astronomer, the instrument is called telescope. Now have a glance on your glossary part. Invent, the meaning of invent is find out something new. Okay, the next one, discover. What is discover? The meaning of discover is find out something which was already there but was not known until then. Discover, it is already there. ಮೊದಲು ಇದ್ದದ್ದು ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಹುಡುಕುವುದು, ಶೋಧಿಸಿ ತೆಗೆಯೋದು, ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಡಿಸ್ಕವರ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ. ಆಸ್ಟ್ರೋನಾಮರ್, ಅ ಸೈಂಟಿಸ್ಟ್ ಹೂ ಸ್ಟಡೀಸ್ ಹೆವನ್ಲಿ ಬಾಡೀಸ್. ಖಗೋಳ ವಿಜ್ಞಾನಿ, ಆಸ್ಟ್ರೋನಾಮರ್ಗೆ ನಾವು ಖಗೋಳ ವಿಜ್ಞಾನಿ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೇವೆ. ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನಿಫೈ, ಮೇಕ್ ಬಿಗ್ಗರ್. ದೊಡ್ಡದು ಮಾಡಿ ತೋರಿಸೋದು, ಚಿಕ್ಕ ವಸ್ತುವಿಗೆ ನಾವು ದೊಡ್ಡದಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಿ ತೋರಿಸೋದು, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನಿಫೈ. ಫೇಂಟ್, ನಾಟ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್. ಅಮೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್, ಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಸರ್ಪ್ರೈಸ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಶ್ಚರ್ಯ. ಎಕ್ಸೈಟ್, ಫೀಲ್ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟೆಡ್. ಭಾವೋದ್ರೇಕಗೊಳಿಸು, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸೈಟ್. ಲುಕಿಂಗ್ ಟ್ಯೂಬ್, ಹಿಯರ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಟೆಲಿಸ್ಕೋಪ್. ಓಕೆ, ದುರ್ಬೀನಿಗೆ ನಾವು ಟೆಲಿಸ್ಕೋಪ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ರಿಯಲೈಸ್, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್, ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಳ್ಳು. ನೀಲ್, ಸಿಟ್ ಆನ್ ಒನ್ಸ್ ನೀಸ್, ಮೊಣಕಾಲೂರಿ ಕುಳಿತುಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ನೀಲ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ವಿಸ್ಪರ್, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಟು ಸ್ಪೀಕ್ ಇನ್ ಅ ವೆರಿ ಲೋ ವಾಯ್ಸ್, ನಿಧಾನವಾಗಿ ಮಾತನಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ವಿಸ್ಪರ್ ಅಂತ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವರ್ಡ್ ಈಸ್ ಇನ್ಕ್ವಿಸಿಷನ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಆರ್ಗನೈಸೇಷನ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಅಪ್ ಬೈ ದ ರೋಮನ್ ಕ್ಯಾಥಲಿಕ್ ಚರ್ಚ್ to punish people who opposed its beliefs. That is inquisition. Unbeliever, that is one who does not believe in God, they are unbeliever. ದೇವರಲ್ಲಿ ನಂಬಿಕೆ ಇಲ್ಲದವರಿಗೆ, ಅವರಿಗೆ ನಾವು ನಾನ್ ಬಿಲೀವರ್ ಅಥವಾ ಅನ್ಬಿಲೀವರ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ. ಒನ್ ಹೂ ಡಸ್ ನಾಟ್ believe in God, he is unbeliever. So children, let's start our lesson now. It is common knowledge today that the earth is a planet revolving around the sun. But there was a time not many centuries ago when even learned men believed that the earth was fixed in space and the sun and all other heavenly bodies went round it. The man who first brought to light the facts about them was a great scientist and astronomer called Galileo Galilei. He was born in the year 1564 in the Italian town of Pisa. So, it is a common knowledge today that Earth is a planet revolving around the sun. So, we all know that It is common now that we all know, everyone know that our earth is revolving round the sun. ಅವರ್ ಅರ್ತ್ ಈಸ್ ಒನ್ ಪ್ಲಾನೆಟ್. ಇದು ಒಂದು ನಮ್ಮ ಭೂಮಿ ಕೂಡ ಒಂದು ಗ್ರಹ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇದು ಸೂರ್ಯನ ಸುತ್ತ ಸುತ್ತುತ್ತದೆ. ಇತ್ತೀಚಿನ ದಿನಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಇದು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಿದೆ. ಬಟ್ ಇನ್ ಓಲ್ಡನ್ ಡೇಸ್ but there was a time not many centuries ago when even learned men believed that the earth was fixed in space and the sun and all other heavenly bodies went round it. So in those days, even well educated people, even they also thought that earth is fixed. ಅಂದರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಭೂಮಿ ಒಂದೇ ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಅದು ತಿರುಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕಲಿತವರು, ಎಜುಕೇಟೆಡ್ ಇದ್ದವರು ಕೂಡ ಆ ಥರ ನಂಬ್ತಿದ್ರು. ಅರ್ತ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಮೂವಿಂಗ್ ಎನಿವೇರ್, ಭೂಮಿ ತಿರುಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂಥೇಳಿ ಒಂದು ಕಡೆ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಓನ್ಲಿ ಸನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಅದರ್ ಹೆವನ್ಲಿ ಬಾಡೀಸ್ means stars, asteroids, they and all everything they revolving round the earth. ಅವ್ರು ಏನಂತ ನಂಬ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು, ಸೂರ್ಯ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ಹೆವನ್ಲಿ ಬಾಡೀಸ್, ನಕ್ಷತ್ರಗಳು, ಆಸ್ಟ್ರಾಯ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಸುತ್ತುತ್ತವೆ, ಭೂಮಿಯ ಸುತ್ತುತ್ತವೆ. ಅದರ ಭೂಮಿ ಒಂದೇ ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ನಂಬ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು. ಇವನ್ ದ ವೆಲ್ ಎಜುಕೇಟೆಡ್ ಪೀಪಲ್, ವೆಲ್ learned men, all they believe like that the earth is fixed in one specific place and all these heavenly bodies they revolve around the earth. They believe so. The man who first brought to light the facts about them was a great scientist and astronomer called Galileo Galilei. So and he was born in the year 1564 in the Italian town of Pisa. Okay, the scientist, the astronomer Galileo Galilei brought fact about the earth which is revolving around the sun. It is not fixed, revolving around the sun. He brought that fact first. Who? Galileo Galilei. He brought that fact. ಅಂದರೆ ಈ ಸತ್ಯ ಯಾರು ಮೊದಲನೇ ಬಾರಿಗೆ ಹೊರತಂದರು, ಏನಂತ, ಭೂಮಿ ಒಂದು ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಕೂಡ ತಿರುಗುತ್ತೆ, ಸೂರ್ಯನ ಸುತ್ತ ತಿರುಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂಥೇಳಿ ಯಾರು ಮೊದಲನೇದಾಗಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು? ಗೆಲಿಲಿಯೋ ಗೆಲಿಲಿ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಹಿ ವಾಸ್ ಬಾರ್ನ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಇಯರ್ 1564 in the Italian town, in a Italy country, and in that one town it is called Pisa. There he born. Who? Galileo Galilei. Next paragraph. In the year 1608, a man called Lippershey, a native of Holland, invented the telescope, the instrument with which astronomers watch the skies. The telescope makes distant objects appear to be near and magnified several times. Okay, what is meant by magnified? Magnified, it is making it bigger, make appear larger than it is actually. How it is, if it is a small, it make it appear larger than it is original, that is magnified, making it bigger. So in the year 1608, a man called Lippershey ಅನ್ನೊಬ್ಬ ಮನುಷ್ಯ, ಒಬ್ಬ scientist in 1608, a native of Holland, his native place is Holland. In the year 1608, one more man called Lippershey, his native is Holland, that is Netherlands, that is European country, that is one European country. He invented telescope. Who invented? Lippershey in 1608. The instrument with which astronomers watch the sky, that is the instrument through which the astronomers use this telescope to see the skies. The telescope makes distant objects appear to be near and magnified several times over. So what happened? A man called Lippershey, he invented telescope in 1608. His native is Holland, it is a European country. He invented telescope. For what it is invented means, it is used to see distant, far objects. Distant objects means far objects. He wanted to see star and planets, galaxies, so he invented telescope. Invented means finding out something new. Discovery means already it is existed. He is going to find out it. Okay, children? When Galileo heard about the invention, he became greatly interested in it. He had at this time begun to study astronomy, and he saw that the invention would be a wonderful aid to the astronomer. He set to work on making a telescope for himself and very soon succeeded in making one which was better than the one Lippershey had made. So, meaning of aid is, that is Sahayatva Nervu. Okay, children? So, after invention of Lippershey's telescope, Galileo also got idea. With that idea, he started inventing his own telescope, which was much better than the Lippershey's telescope. Already Galileo was also very much interested in astronomy. He was very interested in astronomy, and he began to study astronomy. He was very interested, and he heard that one man called Lippershey, he invented this telescope, and he became greatly interested in it. And he began to study astronomy, and his invention became successful. Okay, and already Galileo was also very much interested in astronomy, so he thought this instrument is very useful for his research, and he gets success, and he succeeded in making a telescope which was much better than the Lippershey's, which he had made, more better than the Lippershey's telescope. Galileo's telescope was the first that was ever turned towards the stars. Looking through it, he saw 100 times as many stars as he could see with. He saw 100 times as many stars as he could see with his bare eyes. He looked at the Milky Way, the broad white band of light seen across the sky at night, and found that it contained millions and millions of faint stars. He turned the telescope on the moon, and what he saw filled with amazement. On the moon's surface, which seemed so smooth, he saw high mountains and deep valleys like those on the earth. So, he was always watching through the telescope towards the skies. Galileo's telescope was the first that was ever turned towards the stars. Looking through it, he saw 100 times many stars as he could see with his bare eyes. He used to always watch through the telescope towards the sky, which he was invented. He was always looking towards the stars, and he saw through it 100 times as many stars as he could see with his bare eyes. With normal eyes we can see. Like that, he always used to watch through the telescope towards the skies. He looked at the Milky Way, the broad white band of light seen across the sky at night, and found that it contained millions and millions of faint stars. He looked at the Milky Way. Our galaxy is called Milky Way because why it is called Milky Way? If we see it at during the night, it will be like white band. Okay, so he was looking into the stars, galaxy. He saw the galaxy, and what happened? Millions faint stars, means not dark, not bright stars, that is faint. Millions stars he saw. Okay, next what? He turned the telescope on the moon, and what he saw filled him with amazement. On the moon's surface, which seemed so smooth, he saw high mountains and deep valleys like those on the earth. Looking from the earth, how the moon will look? It look white, round like ball, very smooth it looks. But he saw with his telescope, but he found high mountains in that moon, deep valleys, which we can see on our earth. We have seen mountains and valleys like that he saw with his telescope on the moon. It surprises the Galileo. So children, this is all about the Galileo's inventions. So today we learned till paragraph 4. We will continue the same lesson in our next sessions.